It is a dark and stormy night.
The rain is hitting the windows loudly.
I am tired of you, Victoria. I am tired of this marriage. I want a new life!
Oh, I miss you so much. Her face is wet with tears.
Little Leo is only 10 years old.
He is crying.
Leave your keys on the table, Victoria. Get out of my house right now!
Ethan, please. Look at Leo. Something is wrong with him. You are scaring him. We can fix this problem. No!
I want a different life. This is my house. Leave your keys and walk out that door.
But what about Leo?
He is my son.
He needs his mother.
Leo stays here with me. I have money. You cannot take care of him.
Leave him here and get out.
Mommy, please stay. Don't go. Daddy, please stop shouting. Victoria runs quickly to her son.
Oh, my sweet boy.
It's okay, Mom. I don't know what to do without him. She knows she must leave tonight. But she has a secret plan.
Leo, my sweet boy.
I have to go now. You are stronger than you think. You must be brave.
Take this. Thank you.
Victoria puts a black smartwatch on Leo's arm.
Keep this watch with you always, Leo.
It is connected to my phone server.
If you are sad, talk to it.
Remember this, Leo. Truth is like a sturdy lighthouse, while deception is a shifting fog. Trust your own sight. But technology remembers the truth.
Technology remembers the truth. I will come back for you. Promise?
Are you finished talking? Get out of my house!
Victoria is gone.
Leo touches his new smartwatch.
The rain stops. The sun is shining.
Leo, come here quickly. I have a big surprise for you. Meet your new mother, Olivia.
Olivia walks into the room.
She has a very beautiful face.
I just know everything is going to be all right. She is acting like an angel. Mia is holding a smartphone. She is chewing gum.
Oh, Ethan. Hello, little Leo.
I know you miss your mom, Leo. But everything will be all right. I will be your best friend.
I do not want a new mom.
Leo.
Mia, say hello to your new brother.
Whatever.
Olivia looks like a very good person. Ethan is very happy with her.
But Olivia is only pretending.
It is day 3.
Ethan goes to his office to work.
Now, the fake mask comes off a little bit.
Leo, sweetheart.
Leo, poor Mia is very sad today. You are a strong boy, right? Can you give your big bedroom to Mia?
But that is my room.
But your mom is not here anymore. If you do not move to the small room, your father will be very angry with you.
No.
He packs his small bags.
It is day 5.
Ethan is working very late at the company.
Now, Olivia takes her fake mask off completely.
Olivia, I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi for you. Honestly, I'm not running a charity. You're a charity kid, get that through your head.
But my teacher will be angry. I do not care about your teacher. Now go to the kitchen.
It is dinner time.
Leo comes to sit down at his normal chair.
Stop right there! You're dirty and bad luck! Get away from this house! But take this cold, old bread.
Leo takes the cold bread.
He is very hungry.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Check out what Leo's up to now. Look at my stupid stepbrother. What a loser. Nobody likes you, Leo. Everyone knows that. Stop it. Stop recording me, Mia. Seriously, stop. I will get 1 million views for this video.
It is day 6.
He is holding a small, torn picture of his mother.
Mommy. Mom.
Leo looks at the black smartwatch on his arm.
He starts to pull the watch off his wrist.
Maybe Father is right.
Leo almost breaks the watch. But then, he remembers his mother's warm face.
My sweet boy.
People can fake everything.
No.
Leo puts the watch back on tightly.
His eyes are strong now.
It is day 7. Olivia. Oh, Ethan, you won't believe what happened. It's the worst day of my life.
What's going on, Olivia?
But Leo is an evil boy. Look at my phone. Just listen to it, Ethan.
What? You're lying. I'll never forgive you for this.
Leo, where are you? Leo.
What is it, son? Father, please. It's not me. That voice is a computer trick.
Liar. You're a liar, just like your mother. You are leaving this house forever.
Olivia and Mia are sitting on the sofa.
Leo slides his smartwatch deep under the sofa.
Yes, Mia.
Under the sofa, the smartwatch glows with a green light. One month later.
Also, have you ever seen AI technology used in a bad way?
Thank you for practicing your slow English with us today at English Ties. Keep listening. And we will see you in the next video.
Mommy?
We have to leave, now.
Okay, I trust you.
Okay, I understand. Please, Ethan, you can't.
I said he stays. I have money.
You have to be brave for us. I promise everything will be all right.
Two days pass.
Gomra Town. I rut you.
No.
What happened?
She started it.
Why don't you tell Olivia what happened? Oh, aren't you just the sweetest thing? Why? Oh.
Leo, please, I just want to be friends. No, never. You're not my mom. Oh, Leo.
What you did was unacceptable.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Don't let it happen again.
No, Ethan. I understand. It's perfectly all right, really.
Hi, Leo. Hi, Mia.
I'm so excited about this project, thank you.
Yes, so am I, Ethan.
Yes, Olivia?
Yeah, I'm strong.
It would make her so happy. And you're such a grown-up boy now.
She is too. Let's go. Oh.
Olivia smiles a wicked smile. No. Oh no! What is that?
Bah. I'm not. Please, let me in.
Guess who I found being a little creep? You said you wouldn't tell anyone.
I told you, I don't want to be recorded. Just stop already, please. Stop it. Leave me alone. I don't know what I'm doing. I should just go. Maybe then everything will be okay.
Olivia? What happened? Are you all right?
What? Just look.
I didn't steal it, I swear.
It sounds exactly like Leo.
Leo! Ah! Yes, Father? I'm not.
You're wrong.
You lose, Charity Kid.
It is late at night. And Leo has a secret plan.
Inside a very big house, a family is breaking apart.
He is very scared of his father.